Only one semi-final spot remain up for grabs in the NADB Business House Domino League following Friday's round of matches. Covenant Insurance Brokers joined Post and Telecommunications and Grace Kennedy in the last four. The insurance company booked their place after getting the better of Jamaica Observer 53-35 after leading 24-19 at halftime. Elsewhere on the night, Port Authority of Jamaica outscored National Housing Trust 59-57.
In the knockout, we're having Covenant. Covenant is a team that we played before and beat them by one. Very exciting game. I think that's going to be a very good match. And that's a match that I think everybody should come out to see.
Ministry of Education defeated Bank of Jamaica 53-46 after trailing by 3 at halftime.
Sorry, we had to do that to the host, but it is the game. But they did give us a run for our money because in the first half, they came out leading. We were trailing by 3. We did the changes that we needed to make, came back in the second half and did what was supposed to be done.
The semi-finals and final will be played next week, Friday, at the Bank of Jamaica Auditorium.